Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is makeup basket time. This is when I go through my makeup collection. I pick items from every category and it's what I wear for the upcoming week. I get to declutter, I get to rotate through my makeup, donate stuff, trash stuff, get rid of old things, stuff like that by doing this. So let's go ahead and get started. Some of these things are looking bare because I have a lot downstairs in my vanity where I get ready. And I don't even have a foundation up here that matches me. This is way too light right now. Right now I'm using the Aqua Luminous. I think it is from Becca. So what I'm going to do is grab my Naked Skin from Urban Decay. And this is in 3.5. Yeah, shade 3.5. And I'm going to see if I mix these, if it still is a decent color. Because I did want to try and use that up. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm using the Bobbi Brown color corrector in dark peach, I think it is. And, oh gosh, I have so much stuff because I'm doing a project pan also. So that stuff is downstairs as well. I have like my setting powder, my bronzer is down there. But what I will do is use these at least once. So I'm going to grab this Laura Geller bronzer. This is a Balance and Brighten and Tan. And it's just like this marbleized, look, it like popped out. But I have used this a lot. It's really nice. I do like it. And then this is a Serenity and Scott powder in PF4 Dawn. Wow, powdery. So I do like this color also. It is a thicker formula. So I actually remember, yeah, I do like that one in winter a lot. Champagne Pop. I kind of really want to use this from Becca, this highlight. But I haven't used my luminizer. And I really do like this Vintage by Jessica Lieberskine. I think I'm going to grab this. This pink and this like brown. The brown is chocolate diamond. The pink is in rose quartz. These are really pretty highlights. Like, look at that. Just very easy, simple swatches. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to use that. I think I'm also going to grab this Buxom highlight in Divine Goddess. It's a luminizer, and I'm going to see if I can kind of mix this on my cheekbones under my foundation, because that's what I was doing with my Becca one. So I'm going to use that. So that's all the highlight. Move you on over to my blushes. These are the blushes that I have already used, which is why this is looking pretty sparse. I think what I'm going to do first is pick out a palette, because that will determine what I use. So, you know what? I haven't used this in a while. Let me look. Are these colors speaking to me? Nope. My Kat Von D is probably speaking to me. It always is. This Pure palette, the Soiree Diaries, is gorgeous. You know what? My Urban Decay Naked Heat, I haven't used since I bought it. I'm going to grab this. I really do like this. It's so similar. I moved this drawer around so all of my warm palettes are over here. So I'm just going to put these back. And I am going to grab the Naked Heat. And I can't find my little black liner. I'm so upset. I don't know what it is. Well, I'll grab my Voluminous Smoldering eyeliner from L'Oreal. And I'm going to grab this Cella Brow Bone highlight. If I don't use this, I need to just get rid of it because I don't use it often. And I've had it for a really long time. And I think I'm good here. Maybe I'll grab a glitter and get crazy. Not too crazy. I think I'm going to grab Penny Arcade from Jessie's Girl because that would be really pretty with these colors. So I'm going to grab that. Oh, I actually do have Monday. I have like my work holiday party. So maybe I'll do that. And I think I'll grab this olive colored NYX liner. And this is in Golden Olive. So that's really pretty. So back to blushes. Now that I know the tones, they're warmer. I think I'll grab this Becca, what is this called? It's a beach tint. It's the Shimmery Souffle beach tint. This is in Guava, I think. No, Watermelon Moonstone. I'm going to grab that. And, ooh, this blush from Model Co. Peach Bellini. I really like this one. This has a beautiful sheen to it. And maybe I'll just grab, this is kind of not, do I need another one? No, but do I want another one? Yes, obviously. I'm just trying to see these NYX ones. Oh, this is a pretty one for NYX, right? And it's basically the same, but I don't care. This is in Strictly Chic. So it's one of the ombre blushes. So I'm going to grab that one. Okay. Now, lips. Let's see. I'm going to zoom you in. This is a product I haven't opened yet. We got this in a FabFitFun. This is from Trestique. So I haven't opened it yet and I won't. So I'm just going to zoom into this side. I'm probably not going to use too many of these pinks because I have like a warm eye palette. But I think this Dose of Colors and Bury Me would be pretty. This is just, I really do like this, but it's definitely cooler. I think I could warm it up. I think I'm going to grab it. This is from ColourPop and this is in Strut. We got this in a BoxyCharm also. And I think I'll grab this Bella Pierre Cinnamon Lip Liner just to make it a little deeper. And I am going to grab this Maybelline Elixir in the color Orange Aglow. This is nice to put over like a nude lip to make it a little more orangey, just so it can match my eyes. Let's grab something light. Does it not have something light in here? Not really. I think I'm going to grab this. So as like a lid and an inner corner highlight. I think that'll be pretty. And this is a L'Oreal Infallible in Iced Latte. This, I believe, is a exact dupe for Stila Kitten. So that's it, guys. Oh, my mascara. I have been using the Tartiste mascara. It's like a gel and it's really, really nice. We just got that in a BoxyCharm. So that's it. This is my makeup basket. Sorry it's not set up pretty, but that's the way it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.